Okay. Morning. So the camera didn't die, but I'm going to the store now. Recording indoors is okay if because the door still closes, but it takes a bit to get it open every morning. Like I have to use a knife. Yeah. Because nothing over here is small enough to do it. So if I'm going outside with the camera, I'm going to close that. If I'm going to record a lot, that's fine. If I'm in-house, I'm just going to keep that thing open so I can put the card in and pull it back out with ease, because I'm clumsy in the morning. Anybody seen me type Facebook comments in the morning, you'll see. This is fuzzy because it's taking into account a bunch of... Aaron didn't do the screen protector thing correctly, so it's a little off center. That's why everything looks fuzzy. And if I surround, everything is so much clearer. Although I like this phone, the fact that I can actually flip it around. Yeah. Also, actually, no, I could do that on the last phone. I just never did that because this records backwards. And when I flip the camera, it records correct. So I have to cut it at the point where I flip it so that... why are you making editing tomorrow harder for you? Because I'm stupid and I forget this stuff. But I'm heading to the store now. Aaron is futzing with alts. I want more to do on my main. I want more to do on Raleigh. Just a little bit more, because I get on at like 4 o'clock and I do the calling, and that's great. And then I go around and I find anything that happens to have like a conduit upgrade, or I find a possible gear upgrade, or anything that's an incredible amount of anima. And then I go down to the mall, or maybe we run a Torghast, or... But it's only gives me about like an hour of stuff to do, an hour, maybe 2 hours of stuff to do, depending on... And then I go like hunting rares for mounts. And like on my call yesterday, it took no time at all because my freaking calling was like, do 3 world quests in Ardenweald. And I was like, awesome. So like I went out and I did the Mushroom Mancer, I did Marasmius quests, which are quests, not world quests. And then I went over to Glitterfall Basin and I did the freaking chest, and I was like, yay, chest. And then I was like, oh right, I have the Tirnaval thing. That's a world quest. Oh, I have to go out there and do that one. And it was on top of another world quest that I had to become a butterfly for so that I could actually do this stuff. But a bonus thing is I could actually pick up the grubs and play my flute while I was a moth or butterfly, whatever. That's weird. How do moths play flutes? I don't know. They're panpipes on top of that. So, yeah, I wound up getting 2 world quests done, so then I just ran outside really quickly to the mushroom area, which was nearby, and I ran over to the Gorm Hive, wound up killing those 3 queen matriarch things, got my world quest done, took the Gorm Hive back through the mushroom network back to back to the heart of the forest, and completed my calling. And I was like, that took a whole 40 minutes. Because usually I do my stuff in Ardenweald, and then I go do my calling. But my calling lined up. Anyways, going to the store, gonna get tacos and other stuff. I'm riding the bike, so fun. It's not super windy. It's only like 15 or something like that. It's not bad, but it's also not calm. Gotta cut somehow. Okay. Tortillas. That is my bike ride. I think it's at a little over twice speed because I want to fit it into the video, and yeah, it's only like 7 minutes long, but then I cut it down to like 4 or something. Okay, so meat, taco, fajita, pesto. I need to get the snippers. 2 juices, La Morena. Picked up that for 60 cents because the more I thought about the stuff that we got as a gift from in the gift package that was responsibly sourced and all green, I'm like, how can you fuck up sambal? The more I kept justifying how much can you fuck up sambal, I sort of said, hey, I've said that before about a lot of other things. So I have a backup that cost me 60 cents.